If you've been using Claude Code for a while, you're probably familiar with Claude -- resume, which allows you to restart a previous session. So here's a bunch of history in the current folder that I'm in. That's great, but what happens if you move that folder? If I move this folder to, let's say, build at scale directory, if I then go to that directory, try to resume again, I'm going to see no conversations found to resume. So there's an easy way to fix this. All you need to do is go to your home folder, find the .claude folder, and go to projects. This is where Claude Code stores all of your project history. And you're going to want to find the folder that you just renamed. So that's this folder in my case. You can see there's a lot of history files in here that are JSON lines files. So you've got conversation history in here. And this is how Claude Code stores all of your chat sessions. If I rename this now to build at scale, now if I come back in my terminal and I'm in that project that I just moved, do Claude resume again, and there you go. I've got all of my sessions back, and I can resume that session right back from where I started. So that was it. Quick tip. If you're ever lost on your history, if you've lost your history after moving a project you've been using Claude Code with, that's a quick way to get that history back. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video if you found it useful. Thanks.